Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove someone from your Netflix account. So all you have to do now, you can open your Netflix on your mobile phone. You can tap on your account. Here you can tap again on your profile picture and tap three stripe at the top of your screen. You can tap on account. You can scroll down on your account options, and here you can tap on manage access and devices. Here there are some account or someone log in from your for their device, for example Android phone, Apple phone, TCL Smart TV. You can sign out. It means you remove someone, or maybe there is a stranger use your account. You can completely remove them. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.